The performer or tester have to make a maximum number of volleys standing at any point in front of the target in 1 minute. The performer should perform real volleys and not the thrown balls, because only the legal volleys will be counted, and the volleys must hit the wall within the boundaries of the target. If the ball is caught or get out of control, the performer should repeat from the start. 3 trials may be given and best is considered. On the signal go, the ball is tossed against the wall at the target area and the stopwatch is started. On rebound, the ball is volleyed into the marked target consecutively for 1 minute till the stop signal is given. The objective of this test is to measure general volleyball ability. For reliability, this assessment provided useful information on the characteristic in a test battery for athletes. Brady volleyball test was administered to H-level college, but the test may also appropriate for some high school groups. The reliability validity was estimated using a logical and criteria approach. Validity and reliability coefficient reported. Based on the result, the test found that volleyball athlete achieved significantly thrown ball on the target rather than non-volleyball athlete.
So, what equipment that we need have when we do this test? So, the equipment needed for this Brady volleyball skill test, the first one, of course, you need a volleyball ball to do this test. And second one, we need a stopwatch to record your test for the duration of this test. And the next one is a piece of paper that you need to place on the wall that remarks of the target that the ball has to hit on. And lastly, you need a pen to set a target where the range of your feet to the wall.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Hasif bin Azmi. My metric card number is 20204777724, and I will explain how to set up this test. As discussed in the previous slide, has discussed the equipment that needed in this test. First, we take a piece of paper and a sellotape to paste the piece of paper on the wall. The paper acts as a target in this test. Make sure the paper is 40.6 cm wide and 29.6 cm long. This is to make sure the ball to aim the target and hit the target well. Remember to paste the paper on the wall 8 feet from the floor. Then the most important part is the tester. The tester must stand 4 feet away from the wall, and then try to do the test and repeat it.
Satu, 1, 2, 3, go. Cepat. Stop. Okay, now for the second trial. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. The trial. Start. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. First trial. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. Trial. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128
trial. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
Stop.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will present about the result and evaluate the result. Firstly, I will present about the result that have been recorded in this test. Based on the results that have been recorded in this test, there are two students who have done this test and the results for these two students are different. The weight and height of this student are different and it affects the result of this test. First of all, we look at the result of the first trial for these two students, where the first student managed to record 45 times and the second student managed to record 14 times. Based on the first trial, the first student managed to record better results than the second student. Next, we look at the result of the second trial, in which these two students managed to improve their results. The first student managed to record 49 times, and the second student managed to record 41 times. Lastly, we look at the third result, and it's the last trial, where the result for these two students are very different. The first student managed to record 49 times and maintain his result on the second trial, while the second student managed to record 5 times and decreased sharply compared to his result on the second trial. In conclusion, based on this result, these two students have different results and need more training to improve their result in this test. Next, let's we move to the how to evaluate the result. First of all, we must do this test on an athlete. While they are doing this test, we should see their performance, whether in good condition or otherwise. Upon completion of this test, we must record and analyze their performance, whether it is good or otherwise. If their performance is less encouraging, they should do additional training to improve their results. After that, they have to do this test again to assess their performance as well or otherwise. If their result is good, they do not need to repeat it again, and if their result is otherwise, they should repeat it again until they get a good result.